Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Horion Hacked client for Bedrock Minecraft, so the Bedrock version of Minecraft. This is what it looks like when it's already installed. Obviously it'll just look like the regular Bedrock before you've installed this. The first thing you're going to want to have to go ahead and do is go to the Horion download page, so that's just horion.download. I'll hopefully provide a link in the description. And we're just going to go ahead and click this little download button. It's going to prompt us where we want to save it. I'm just going to save it to the desktop like so. And that will download very, very quickly. We can then go ahead and cross this off because we don't need this anymore. And that's going to give us this little Horion injector here that we've got on screen here. And what we're going to want to do is open up the game like so. But you're going to have the game open. It won't look like this at first, it'll just look like the regular Bedrock, but while it's open, you double click the Horion injector and just click inject. It says already injected, but that's fine, we can just hit OK, it'll just say injected successfully. You're going to want to make sure that you've got the 1.20 version of Minecraft installed while you're doing this, because if you do it in a version that Horion hasn't been updated to yet, for example 1.20.1 I don't think has come out yet, it will just crash the game, so that's why it will be crashing if it's not. So you're going to have to get the historical 1.20 version, and that's how you get the Horion Hacked client for Minecraft 1.20. If we go ahead and go into our world here, I've just made a single player world for demonstration purposes. I will really quickly show you exactly how to set up and get into the hack menu and everything. Alright, so we're in the game now. As you can see, we've got a little hack menu over here on the top left hand corner here. I fly around. I'm in creative, but this will work in survival as well. And it will work on multiplayer, but I wouldn't recommend using it on multiplayer just for the simple reason you will probably get banned. So to open the hack menu, you're going to want to press T or open the chat here, and you're going to type dot, and then you're going to type bind, and then you're going to type click GUI, and then whatever key you want to bind it to. I don't know how to bind it to, say, left shift or left control. I could only manage to do it with just regular letters. So you click a letter. I'm going to click P because it's pretty out of the way of all my other keys. We hit enter, and now it will say the key bind of click GUI is now P. So whatever key you set it to is what it's going to be. And now when I hit the P button, it will bring up the hack menu. I don't really need to go ahead and explain how to use all of these. They're all pretty self-explanatory. Anti-effects, air jump is air jump. You can figure out pretty much all of the hacks in here. To enable them, you just click on them like so. So I would find an example, for example, scaffold. I'll click on scaffold hacks. Then if I get some blocks and I just fill my inventory with blocks or whatever, I can take this here. And as you can see, if I just go down here and stop flying, it will scaffold. Obviously this isn't going to work very well with sand because sand is not really the right block to do this. And if you actually fly around, it'll sort of air place sand around like that. But if you get a proper block like grass here, you can see that it will scaffold build for us automatically. I'm not placing any blocks right now, it's just scaffolding around. And that's how you install and use the Horion Hacked client for Bedrock Minecraft. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.